Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. Right now I'm on the marina side of town. I got a nice room here, a comp room at the Harrah's water tower. I'm in the water tower. It's a premium king non-smoking room in the water tower. Beautiful room. That video will be coming out shortly if it hasn't been uploaded already on the New York channel. Got a nice view. The Borgata's behind me, as you can see there. There's the boardwalk hotels and casinos in that direction. It's going to look beautiful tonight. I'm going to head downstairs right now and do a slot pull. I walked through the casino earlier this afternoon and said, which machine am I going to play? I still haven't made up my mind, so I'm going to make it up as I go along downstairs. Keep your fingers crossed for me. I could use a little good luck right now. And later on tonight, I'm going to visit one of the restaurants here in the hotel and do a video on that as well. So stay tuned to the New York channel. Meanwhile, let's head downstairs and do a slot pull, shall we? I like the Borgata a lot. It always brings back lots of memories. My parents used to come here. This was their choice when they came to Atlantic City, and I used to tag along with them. That was a long time ago when it was pretty much freshly built, and the only other game in town on this side of town was Trump Marina. Lots have changed since then. Harrah's has increased their room size I don't know how many times, but the place is huge now. And this is all before Borgata was even thought about. So a lot has changed since I used to come here back in the day, but one thing remains consistent. I can never win in the casino here at Harrah's. And it's not a Caesars thing because I do quite well at Caesars and Tropicana. It's just Harrah's. I don't understand it, so let's see how I do tonight. So stay tuned because if I lose, and I lose quickly, I'll take you guys along for a quick dinner with me before the end of this video. These Win What You See machines are pretty popular now, and I see them pretty much in every casino at this point, and when I do see them, people are playing them and doing quite well, so let me give it a shot. So this game is pretty straightforward. I put in $200. If you play $1 at a time, whatever shows up on that first reel, that's what you win. It has to fill in that reel exactly. It can't be off like a little above or a little below. It has to be centered. If you play $5 a spin, then whatever shows up on that first and second reel, you win. And if you play $10 a spin, which is what I'm doing here, you'll win whatever comes up on all three reels. Again, it all has to line up perfectly. If you play $1, the most you can win on that first reel is $10. If you play $5 a spin, the most you can get on those two reels is $105. And if you play all three reels at $10 a spin, the most you can win is $10,500, which is why I'm playing the $10, a little bit above my comfort zone, but I would kick myself if I didn't win the $10,500 because I was only playing $1 or $5 at a time. So this might go very quickly. Let's see. And as you can see, just in the time it took me to explain the game, I'm down more than half of my money already. Alrighty, so I won at least 100 here. Let's see what happens with that third reel. Oh, so close, but I did win 100. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Back down to 90-something dollars. It goes quick at $10 a spin, doesn't it? Let's see, will I win 10 or 1,000? Oh well. It appears I won a couple of free spins here, and the last 2 reels are stationary, so let's keep an eye on that first reel. Oh well, no luck there either.
Hello.
Looks like I'm down to my last few spins now. I also went down to $1 a spin now at this point, which means that first reel is the only one that counts. That's why it's lit up. This is it, guys. Last spin. Well, that's it. At $10 a spin, it went really fast, and I don't think I'll be playing this Win What You See cash machine anytime in the near future.
Well, that machine sucked my $200 faster than any other machine I think I've ever played. Anyway, it is what it is. I was going to go to AC Burger tonight to check out their burgers. I had a cheesesteak there once before, and that video is available here on the New York channel. But they're closed. It's off season, and they're closed on Thursday. So I'm going to head over to Bobby's Burgers. I did a video there as well, but let's go check it out and see what's going on over at Bobby's Burgers right now.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Well, like they say, you win some and you lose some. Tonight I lost some, but I'm going to end it with a winning dinner. I guess you can call it that. I'm at Bobby's Burgers. I did a video here not too long ago. I'm going to say about 6 months maybe, here at Harrah's. The burger was very good. The place is kind of expensive for fast food, if you will. Today I ordered a beef barbecue smokehouse burger, as well as a side of onion rings and some Bobby's sauce on the side as well. And it all came to 24 bucks. So it is expensive, but the food's good. I'll give you a shot of it in a couple moments. I'm sitting here right at Bobby's Burgers, right next to the pool after dark here at Harrah's. I think there's a wedding reception going on in the pool right now. Maybe we'll take a look after I finish this burger here. But as you can see, Bobby's is not that busy right now. It's about 7 o'clock on a weekday afternoon, or weekday evening, I should say. So I'm sure it'll pick up a little bit as the evening goes on. So I didn't care for my dinner as much as I did the last time here at Bobby's Burgers. Today everything just seemed greasy and soggy. I don't think everything was cooked at the right temperature, to tell you the truth. Usually when you get onion rings, they should be crispy and tender on the inside like they were the last time I was here. These were greasy and soggy, which means the oil wasn't really hot enough. I don't know if it's a consistency issue here. I'll come back again sometime in the future and let you guys know, but not too thrilled with Bobby's Burgers, not too thrilled with my slot pull, not having a good night tonight here at Harrah's. I'm gonna head upstairs and get some work done on some videos, so that'll make me happy. In the meantime, I'm coming to you from Harrah's pool. I think there's a wedding going on in there. I'm not sure if I can get close to it or not, but we'll see. In any event, if I don't get close to that wedding, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. The wedding was actually in a ballroom down the hall. The pool is closed. But it's lit up as most pools are at night. I think that's like a regulation. So I have a good view of the pool through the glass dome from my room. In any event, again, I'm going to call it a night, do some work upstairs. Thanks for watching, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.